So acharyas, this is what they're saying, and I'm repeating, that when Krishna is personally with the gopis, they focus on Krishna's intimate, natural, human-like nature, Nara Lila. Sri Jiva Goswami Pad says there's two types of love, good and bad. No. Aishvarya Prem, which is love mixed with knowledge of Krishna's power and greatness. And Madhurya Prem, which is simply intimate, pure love of Krishna. I don't know who he is or what he is or where he came from or what he does or what he can do or can't do. I just love Krishna. That's it. This is the gopis. But because their love is so intense, then Krishna, from within their hearts, apnayap, automatically, he reveals in their heart all tattva gyan. There are many histories of the Gaudiya Sampradaya, of Vairagi sadhus and Babajis and whatnot, that apparently they're not uneducated, and they're very quiet, and they're mon bratis or whatever, and they don't have any. They haven't gone to school. They haven't studied Sanskrit. They haven't done anything, at least in this life that we know. But they're famous that if you speak to them, they start speaking, and an ocean of knowledge comes out, and Sanskrit and grammar and kavi and vyakaran and sahitya, everything is there in their belly, because Krishna is telling. So what applies in the Gita to the modern day contemporary sadhus that we read about and maybe met also applies to the gopis and applies to us. And what is the principle? If love is the primary element, Krishna prem, not mundane prem, but Krishna prem is a primary element of the substratum of the bhakta's heart. The primary element is love. We're supposed to be a bhakta. A bhakta is a person of love. So if love and prem is a primary element, then automatically all the ocean of knowledge is there at your fingertips because Krishna is in your heart. And he guarantees this, and he reminds us of this in the Bhagavad Gita, 10th chapter, verse 10. Tesham saratayuktanam bhajatam pritipurvakam tadami buddhi yogam tam yenamam upayantite. Upayantite. You come to me. If you worship me with priti, with love, and who is worshiping Krishna with more love than Priyaji Radha and the Braja Gopis? They are worshiping Krishna with pristine, immaculate, totally pure, transcendental, divine love. So that's why they know about Varaha Avatar and Vaman Avatar and Paramatma and everything about Krishna's Tattva Gyan. They know, all Tattva Gyan they know. But they're just simple girls, and they're churning yogurt into butter every morning and singing about Krishna. Krishna Deva Bhavantam Vande. Krishna Deva Bhavantam Vande. Mana Mana Samadukara Arpaya Nija Pada Pankaja Makarande. Krishna Deva Bhavantam Vande. This is their life. They're simply serving Krishna moment to moment with pure love, but yet they know everything. So love is the primary element. Serving Krishna with love, no personal agenda. Anya bilashita shunyam jnana karma yanavritam anukulyena krishnanu shilanam bhaktir uttama. So uttam bhakti, purest bhakti is gopis. We're hearing in Ras Leela. This is bhakti, this is prema, this is love. But we see generally in a class, the modern devotee, because we're educated modern people with degree holders and PhD and this and that, and we pride ourselves on our knowledge and our technology and our access to unlimited volumes of knowledge, but where is the primal element of love? Even in the Bhakta Samaj, we see in some areas, and many areas, everyone is so much interested in Gyan, Bhakti Gyan, a knowledge of Krishna, Krishna Tattva,